Welcome to Quality Minute Insights. I'm Rick Harrington Jr. In 90 seconds, we'll explore how Harrington Group International's HQMS Non-Conformance Tracking module revolutionizes quality management for manufacturers. This powerful tool centralizes tracking of non-conforming materials or processes, offering real-time visibility. Managers can instantly spot issues like a defective part stalling production, eliminating delays and disjointed reporting. It streamlines dispositions with clear workflows, enabling fast decisions, scrap, rework, or material review board processes, cutting cycle times by avoiding redundant checks. Integrated with HQMS's Kappa module, it supports root cause analysis to pinpoint issues like faulty supplier parts, preventing recurrence and driving smarter process improvements. Trend analysis with Pareto charts and reports reveals recurring defects, helping manufacturers swap out weak suppliers or refine processes to boost quality and cut costs. It reduces financial risk by automating tracking and using debit memos to recover supplier costs, minimizing waste and reputation damage. The module ensures compliance with standards like ISO 9001 and AS 9100, providing traceability vital for industries like aerospace and automotive. Through the supplier portal, it assigns corrective actions, tracks supplier responses, and monitors performance, enhancing accountability. Customizable and user-friendly, it adapts to unique needs despite a slight learning curve. In short, HQMS's non-conformance module helps manufacturers manage quality, reduce costs, ensure compliance, and improve continuously. Visit harringtongroup.com or call 1-800-ISO 9000 for a demo. Thanks for watching.